How to install band sealer machine with nitrogen flush. Use a drill machine to create drilled openings on the surface of the machine. Then drill a hole on the diagonally upward surface of the machine. It helps extend the product's shelf life by reducing oxidation and moisture inside the package. Mount the machine onto the stand holder. Insert the screws, arrange the wires properly, and tighten the screws to secure the assembly. Continuous sealing system enables fast and efficient pouch sealing. Adjustable temperature and conveyor speed for different pouch materials. Durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. Produces strong, uniform, and leak-proof seals for reliable packaging. Suitable for sealing plastic, laminated, and foil pouches across various industries. Fix the component onto the side of the machine using screws. The integrated nitrogen flushing system removes oxygen from the pouch before sealing to help preserve product freshness. This machine is ideal for food packaging applications such as snacks, coffee, dry fruits, and chips. The continuous band sealing mechanism supports high-speed packaging operations. Route the wire from one side of the machine to the other and interlock the wires securely. The machine offers adjustable nitrogen flow control to meet different packaging requirements. It features digital or knob-based temperature control for precise and consistent sealing. Mount the pneumatic air filter regulator onto the holder and secure it properly using the ring. Install the air pressure meter on the regulator and tighten it properly. Tighten the internal screws and install the temperature display screen on the machine. Place the cover plate over the side component opening and secure it firmly using screws. Cover the opening of the main frame with a plate and fasten it securely. Mount the handle and tighten the screws to secure it properly. The heavy-duty conveyor belt supports various pouch sizes and weights during sealing. Attach the pneumatic cylinder to the machine's lower horizontal frame and tighten the screws firmly. Cover the cylinder opening with a curved plate and fasten it securely using screws. Position the lower horizontal frame onto the stand and fasten it securely using screws. The machine is compatible with laminated, aluminum foil, and plastic pouches. Stable sealing pressure ensures airtight and consistent sealing results. The machine is designed for continuous industrial use with reliable performance. Finally, rotate the handle to adjust the height of the machine.